Hey, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you an easy tip that will speed up your post workflow when shooting in ProRes or Braw in Blackmagic cameras. So first, let's talk about Blackmagic Raw with a LUT in a sidecar. We are going to head over to the menu and set up the resolution we want to record in. In this case, I'm going to record in 6K 5:1 RAW. Then we're going to choose the dynamic range. I'm going to select film and then head over to the LUT tab and select a LUT that is designed to work with log footage. I'm using a base LUT designed for Blackmagic Gen 5 color science, and that should convert my Pocket 6K footage into Rec 709. Then in the third tab, we're going to select Apply LUT in File. This means the LUT is going to be applied in the metadata of the clip because we're shooting in RAW. Also, you will still be able to edit like normal your RAW files. Lastly, in the main screen, this blue icon next to the record button means that you are recording in Blackmagic RAW with a LUT file applied in a sidecar. In the next example, we're going to record in ProRes with a baked-in LUT. First, we're going to select the codec and the quality. I am shooting in ProRes 422 in this case, and the resolution is 4K DCI. Then we're going to set the dynamic range of our clip to log, which is what Blackmagic calls film. Then we head over to the third tab and select Record LUT to Clip. A very important thing to notice is that when you're shooting in RAW, the actual LUT file gets brought in as a sidecar. And this is non-destructive, as you can turn it on and off in your editing software. When you're shooting in ProRes, the LUT actually gets baked into the footage. You still have some leeway for adjusting your footage in your editing software, but you won't get as much forgiveness as if you were working on a RAW file. When recording in ProRes, this red LUT icon appears next to the record button, and that means that the LUT is being baked into the ProRes file. That's it for now. I'm very happy to see here. I have a quick announcement for you all. I've set up a merch shop. If you would like to support the channel, please check the link in the video description. The first few items are photo prints, both frame or just the prints by themselves if you prefer them that way. I'll see you next time, and as always, thanks for watching.